Ladies and gentlemen, this is your daily reminder na kapag gumamit kayo ng ChatGPT, basahin yung maigi. I repeat, basahin yung maigi. Sometimes it will have this and you need to replace it with your name. Ang daming may experience na nagre-reklamong hindi sila natatanggap, meron naman silang skills and experience for the position. But guys, yung basic na proofreading is a skill not many people practice. I myself, I'm also guilty sa hindi pagpo-proofread ng mga bagay-bagay, an application, tapos may ganyan kayo. No! Kumbaga, telltale sign na yon na need to double check kung talagang totoo yung nasa resume mo, kung totoo yung background mo, kasi baka, di ba, baka ini-ay mo rin lang. Sayang naman.